Hello students. So today we are going to see about the working of the drilling machine. So I welcome all the students for the special machines laboratory. So under the Department of Mechanical Engineering. So this is what the drilling machine. There are different types of drilling machine. What you are seeing is the upright drilling machine. You can see the spec. So this drilling machine is an upright drilling machine. It can drill up to a size of 3/4 of the inch, right? It is a 1 HP 3-phase electric motor and it is a V-bell and it is drilled by using drill bit, right? So this is what the drilling machine. So what is the application of drilling machine? Yes?
To hold the materials.
To drill the hole at the required place. So without drilling, how can you make hole? Is there any possible way of hole?
No, sir.
No. So the drilling is a process where it is material is removed, right? Material is removed from the workpiece, right? So how material is removed? There is a drill bit, right? This drill bit is used to move in a rotary motion. It moves downward direction. So the force is applied through this lever. So what happens is, sir, yes. So what happens is, according to the given field, the hole is drilled, right? So it will move like this, right? So this is what the working of a drilling machine. So this is an upright drilling machine. So the upright drilling machine is one type of drilling machine. It can drill holes up to a 3/4 of the inches, right? Then the drilling machine can be adjusted by means of its height, right? This vertical height can be adjusted. This is the workplace or workplace, right? Work holding device, right? So this is the vice which is used to hold the workpiece, right? This drilling machine is used to drill holes, right? So why do we need to drill a hole?
To place the
Yes. So if you need to join two components, how will you join? One is welding, right? Welding, that is melting the metal and adding one after another. It can be same metal or it can be a different metal. Here always you will make hole and you will use fastener, right? Fasteners such as bolt, right? Screws, right? Rivets, right? So these kind of things can be used to join to materials. So in order to join two materials, in order to use fastener, you need some holes, right? That holes can be drilled by using this machine, right? Other than this, this machine can be used to provide or make form thread also in the hole, right? So instead of this drill bit, there is a device, that threading device that can be used according to the size. Once the hole is drilled, this threading device is inserted in this chuck and then it is formed on the workpiece. So this is how this drilling machine is used. There are different types of drilling machine: upright drilling machine, radial drilling machine, and so on. Depending upon the application and depending upon the use, the drilling machines are classified into different types. So let us see one by one in the upcoming videos. Is there any clarification? Yes. See, very good question. So some drilling machines are battery operated. Some drilling machines does not need any electricity. They are battery operated. That is hand drilling machine. You can see hand drilling machine that are used for minor operations, right? So those they are chargeable drilling machine. Chargeable batteries are there. So that can be used for household applications or some specific type of applications. That is a hand drilling machine, right? So it can be a battery operated or it can be equipped with powered by electricity also. There will be a wire, there is a lengthy wire that is carried out that can be used for a hand drilling machine. That is hand drilling machine, yes.
Sir, in this drilling machine, the maximum size of hole?
Yes, that is 3/4. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter, right? That is 80% of 2.54 centimeter. How much is 80% of 2.54 centimeter? It can drill up to 20 centimeter, 18 to 20 centimeter. That is what the maximum hole that can be used to drill by using this machine.
Minimum size?
Minimum is some 6 mm. 6 mm we can drill. 6 mm. 6 mm to 20 mm. Yeah, according to the condition, what you do is you will remove this thing, right? You can remove this thing, yes. So there is a key. So this key is used to loosen this chuck, right? You can loosen this chuck. Yes. You can loosen this chuck and you can remove this drill bit, right? Yes.
So only the lever is okay. By the hydraulic also.
This is a screw operated lever, right? So you give pressure on manually, right? So you give pressure manually, right? Yes. So this is like a screw. Yes, yes. This is like a screw. You can see here the screw is loaded here. So according to the given force, the entire unit goes down.
Sir, in this machine have any speed adjuster, sir?
Yeah, if it is required, then you can use the speed adjuster also. You can see here, come this side. So this is the pulley, right? This is the belt, right? So you can see here there are different kinds of speed arrangements are there, right? Larger diameter, medium diameter, shorter diameter, and very small diameter, right? So according to the requirement, this pulley and the belt can be adjusted so that the speed can be adjusted, varied, right? So this is a high speed, right? If you go to this way, the speed is very low. So likewise, it is proportionate, right? Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.